16 Principles of Operations Management by Dr. Richard Schonberger. In today's fast-moving world of business, operation management has become one of the top requirements. Operation management holds such great importance because it provides the highest level of profits when it comes to services and its quality. But what are the factors affecting operation management? So today let's discuss some of the principles of operation management by Dr. Richard Schonberger. These principles will allow you to fully utilize the power of operations management. But firstly, let us understand what operations management is. But first, if you're new here, consider subscribing to this channel to continue receiving great weekly videos on consulting. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get informed every time I publish a new video. What is operations management? The process of controlling and designing in the area of management in the form of products and services is called operation management. This process provides the maximum profit to the organization in terms of services and goods. Moreover, the operations management team balances the revenue to maximum net profit. It handles strategic issues like the manufacturing of plants and project management and implements the network of information technology networks. The operations management team also manages operational issues like quality control, material handling, raw material investment, care, and feeding policies. This ensures the minimal waste of resources in the organization. Moreover, the team presupposes the use of raw materials required for the organization. Principles of Operation Management by Dr. Richard Schonberger. 1. Know the competition. The management should always know about their customer and the best services provided by the other organizations. You can look towards the opportunities to either compete with them directly. Look for the articles and add in the upstream publications. You should list your competitors with their strengths and weaknesses. Check online communities and social media. 2. Focus. Always focus on the reason why customers are not buying from you. The team need to spend time on the customer's needs. Focus on the effort that offers the best chance of success. Do a little bit every day. Communicate regularly and transparently with your employees. Focus on less and simplify your priorities. 3. Organization resources. Organize the priorities for the resources that you need for the organization. Organize them in such a way that the resource matches the demand in the service industry. An organization should make sure that all the assets are available to the firm for use during the production process. Basic organization resources are human, monetary, raw material, and capital. 4. Team up with customer. Firstly, always know about what your customer wants to buy from the company and their uses. Organize your resources according to the use of the customer. Make client communication easy and ask for reviews from your customer. Appoint a decision maker and be consistent and quick in replying to the customer. Provide superior customer service to your customer. 5. Unified purpose. Communicate your strategy and know-how. Success is measured. Make sure how they understand the purpose of their work. Recognize and reward the high performance. Value your workers' opinions and provide them the growth opportunities. 6. Continual and rapid improvement. Deliver the best quality of the result with non-stop improvement. The organization aims to provide a quick response to customer demand, always offers the maximum flexibility to the customer. Thus, it gives more value to the organization. 7. Maintain equipment. Before purchasing the new equipment for the organization, improve your current assets first. By using high-quality lubricants, you can save your equipment. Using lubricants to operate equipment on a daily basis plays a major role in protecting the equipment. Moreover, investing in automation can increase the reliability of your equipment. 8. Invest in HR. Offer rewards and recognition to employees. You should provide the cross-training options and job rotation to the employees. Help employees to keep up with necessary skills. Generally, an employee needs security, development, and support from the organization. 9. Visibility management. Promote your achievements so that the market knows about your improvements in the corporate world of productivity. Track and limit how much time you are spending on your task. Set deadlines for your task and make a habit of committing a single task before moving on to the next task. 10. Total quality control. When you think about quality control, it comes with the manufacturing inspecting product flaws. Quality control is the key component of a well-run business. Developing a quality control process makes it easier to expand the business. There are 4 quality inspections. A. Pre-production inspection. B. During production inspection. C. Pre-shipment inspection. D. Loading supervision. 11. Fix causes. Focus on the root causes that affect the cost and performance of the organization. Identify the issue in the management and understand everyone's interest. Separate the evaluation options from the selection options. Avoid the lack of awareness and determine the reasons for the problem and implement the solution. Evaluating the success of your solution determines the underlying condition behind the problem you have defined. 12. Pull system. Improve the workflow of the organization by analyzing the current processes. Prioritize the project based on the importance and provide the proper training to the employees. Keeping workflow moving efficiently so that everyone knows what requirements are used for the organization. Schedule your employees to assign them a specific task. Analyze the results by knowing what's working and what's slowing down the process, and then find the solution timely. 13. Cut times. Shorten your time by making processes faster and delivering on time. Reduce non-value-added steps in the process and also reduce common cause issues. Improve communication with the warehouse and streamline your process with documentation. Simplify your internal processes to keep your customers informed. Use the right technology to locate your item quicker. 14. Minimize human error. Training is the most important way to minimize human error. Keep improving your equipment and limit access to sensitive systems. Develop a recovery plan for the strong disaster and test your disaster recovery plan. Work on your internal communication lines. If your staff is rushing to achieve unrealistic objectives and deadlines, they will naturally end up making mistakes. So don't make targets and deadlines unattainable. 15. Cut setup. Always ready your tool for on-demand production and be prepared to support different processes. Employees are at the mercy of the management to inform them to change. Being proactive in communication can minimize resistance and make employees feel like they are part of the process. Once a change is planned, it is important to have good care about the rollout and implementation to change. 16. Simple equipment. Keep your equipment as simple and flexible as possible and sell it at a reasonable price. All machines can transfer a force from one place to another. Some machines can increase the amount of force so that we can lift heavier objects. Simple equipment reduces the effort. Extend the ability of people to perform tasks beyond their normal capabilities. Simple equipment may magnify and reduce the forces that can be applied to them. They do not change the total amount of work needed to perform the overall task. These are 16 of the most important principles of operation management. You can increase the productivity and efficiency of your company if you practice these principles. Moreover, you'll increase the profits of your organization if you follow these principles by Dr. Richard Schonberger. If you like the video, give us a like so we can make more videos like this one. And tell us in the comments section below what type of videos you want. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more weekly videos.